Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. There are a lot of mistakes people are make when they source and ship products from China from 1688, and one of them are a shipping mistake and shipping error. And as a result of that, I decided to make a video about it to put a proper clarification on this shipping mistake, most especially if you are shipping overseas. And as a result of that, a lot of people are incur a lot of losses as a result of shipping overseas. What is the right channel to ship and what are the best way to do? Most especially if you are using global fashion of 1688 Chinese shopping app. You know, there are so many fashion of 1688 Chinese shopping app. There are local fashion and there are global fashion. This problem commonly with global fashion of 1688 Chinese shopping app. So if you are the type that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to fix this shipping mistake a lot of people are make right now on 1688 as far as global shipping or shipping overseas is concerned on 1688. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Tauba or pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my 1688. I will walk you through from the beginning, and when we get to a point whereby you need to avoid some certain shipping mistake, I'll bring it out. So right here on my 1688, let's say for instance, I'm interested in, let's go back to the home page right here. Let's say for instance, I'm interested in this particular shoe right here. So we click on this shoe and I want to ship this shoe globally. That is, I want to ship out of China to another country. And I click on here to proceed. And I will show you where people are getting it wrong. Now, what we want to do here now is to go ahead and click on order now. So when you click on order now, it's going to take you to a page whereby you need to enter your quantity, size, as the case may be. Now, from the top right here, you see, based on my location, this seller here are telling me that this product can be delivered to Nigeria. That is direct from China. And this is where a lot of people are getting it wrong. If you use direct shipment, you are paying more compared to when you use local air freight forwarder or sea freight forwarder from China to your local country. So if you choose direct shipment, you are going to pay more. And as a result of that, a lot of people are abandoning their goods in 1688 warehouse in China. In fact, some of them are even finding it difficult to pay for shipping fee after they place order as a result of this mistake. Now, how do you fix this mistake? Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this particular shoe right here and I need this size. Then I'm just using this as an example. I need this one and another size, just two pair like that. And I'm supposed to pay 40 yuan for everything right here. Okay, I'm supposed to pay 80 yuan for everything right here, which means a pair is 40 yuan. Then I go ahead and click on buy now right here. So let's see where people are getting it from. Now, from my account right here, I have already had my local freight forwarding address. But quite a lot number of people that are not more experienced about this shipping stuff, they don't know that a lot of people don't know that there are local freight forwarder that you can use and then they can deliver to your local country at a very cheap and favorable price. Now, if you get to this point here, you will be given cross-border logistic method, transit consolidation to self-pickup. These are another options right here. Now, here, the package can be delivered overseas. Please switch. Fill in the overseas address. This is where people are getting it wrong. So, if you click on switch right here, definitely you will be asked to provide your overseas address, telling you that the product will be delivered to your doorstep. Yes, the product can be delivered to doorstep, but you are going to pay more. And this is where people are getting it wrong. So the best method here is to add your personal shipping address. Once you add your personal shipping address, forget about switch to foreign overseas address and forget about cross-border logistic method, forget about them, then scroll down straight up. Do not touch any of these first option and the second options right here. Just make sure that you add your local freight forwarding address, that is the shipping company that have warehouse address in China, and they also have address and the physical office in your country. Use that and then ship your goods. Avoid using direct overseas if you don't want to pay more on 1688 if you are ordered for any product. Sometime this particular product here now is going to cost me 79 yuan. But if I choose cross-border or overseas shipping, don't be surprised that this is going to cost me nothing less than 500 to 600 yuan. So it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.